In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your LinkedIn mobile account. By the end, you'll know the 3 quickest ways to sign in on your phone, using your Google account, your Apple account, or by entering your email or mobile number with your password. I'll keep it simple and make sure everything is easy to follow. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. On the welcome screen, you'll see options to continue with Google, continue with Apple, or sign in with your email or mobile number. All 3 methods take you to the same place, your LinkedIn feed, so choose the one that's most convenient for you. If you prefer typing your details, tap the option to enter your email or mobile number. Carefully type the email address or the mobile number associated with your LinkedIn account, then enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so watch out for capital letters and extra spaces. When everything looks right, tap the sign in button. If the credentials match, you'll be taken straight into your account. This method is straightforward and works well if you know your login details and like keeping control of what you enter. If you'd rather use your Google account, tap Continue with Google. A list of Google accounts currently signed in on your device will appear. Choose the one that's linked to your LinkedIn and confirm. In most cases, that's it. You'll be logged in automatically. This is fast and secure, especially if you already use Google on your phone. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, tap Continue with Apple. Select the Apple ID you want to use and confirm when prompted. Once approved, LinkedIn logs you in without needing to type anything else. This is a great option if you prefer using your Apple credentials to keep things simple. No matter which method you choose, the result is the same. You'll land in your LinkedIn account and can start browsing, posting, and connecting. If you run into trouble, double check that you typed your email or number correctly. Make sure your password is exact and confirm that your internet connection is stable. Also, be sure you're choosing the account that's actually linked to your LinkedIn profile when using Google or Apple. That's all you need to log into your LinkedIn mobile account quickly and confidently. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon for new uploads. Thanks for watching.